All right, now let's do everybody's favorite thing and compare sizes. So this is obviously Devo Pony Stout. And this is our CMB friend. So as far as compactness goes, as far as a reference for size, not too shabby. Certainly taller and long, and you feel that length quite a bit. But it is a really sci-fi, sleek, futuristic looking knife that I think is quite a bit of fun. And then as far as sound goes, obviously this knife is able to open via the thumb, so let's use the good hand, and not too shabby. But my left hand sucks at presentation, so back to the right we go. So when opening this knife, obviously there's a couple ways to do it. But what happens in the opening process is the weight of the blade, you really feel that. And you feel like the momentum of the blade carries it through quite a bit compared to the weight of something like, let's say, the handles. So the knife doesn't feel heavy, but comparatively, the blade certainly carries well, at least feels like carries a lot of the weight, possibly due to the length of it. I'm no expert on gravity or anything like that, but as far as using it goes, that's how it feels. And then there's some other things about this knife, like the pocket clip, for example. It's where it ends, leaves a decent amount of space up top so that when I put it in my pocket, there's a lot of knife sticking out of the top so that I can access it and pull it out to, use it. But if I compare it to something like my friend Devo here, when I put that thing away, it's basically gone. And depending on how you feel about the knife in your pocket and how you want to access stuff, you may like that, you may not like that, up to you, obviously. And then we get to talk about other stuff like the styling of this thing. Obviously, I talked about the sci-fi-ness of it, but the ridges, they feel good. They're not sharp. They don't feel like they're agitating me at all. At the same time, I like the way that light plays off of elements like the blade and the handles, and depending on how you feel about the colors of things, there's some things to pick from. I do also like the two-tone blade. I'm kind of a sucker for those sorts of things. It makes it feel sleek, kind of like a Reich alien almost. So let me know how you feel about this knife, because obviously there's a lot going on between the design of the thing, between the functional choices of it, between how it feels, how it looks, everything like that. Let me know in the comments down below, or hop into the Discord and we can chat about it there. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.